TCL TP200K Party Speaker is marketed as a powerful portable speaker designed for parties, strong bass, and room-filling sound. The marketing can make it look like the ultimate speaker for gatherings and events. But the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, party speakers are designed for a different purpose than regular portable speakers. They focus more on loud sound and entertainment features. What it does well, designed for bigger sound. Party speakers are built to deliver stronger output than smaller portable speakers. Bass-focused experience. Many products in this category aim for deeper bass and energetic sound, where the hype falls apart. Louder does not always mean better sound quality. This is the biggest issue. High volume and heavy bass can sometimes overpower sound balance. Portability has limits. Large party speakers can still be bulky and heavy. Battery life matters. Performance at high volume can reduce runtime. So, should you buy a TCL TP200K Party Speaker? Short answer, it depends on your use case. If you want louder sound for gatherings and entertainment, it may be useful. But if you're expecting premium audiophile quality sound from a party-focused speaker, expectations may be too high. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.